Make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, luggage rack, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.